Welcome to another exciting episode of Celebrity Talk Show. I'm your host, Nene G's, or you can call me Nesta Gachange. Right now, I'm in the streets of Kadjah 3, where we are going to meet a giant and pioneer in music, Ezbee Fyah. Let's go and meet him. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome to Celebrity Talk Show. Right now I'm with Ezbee Fyah. Mkoma Ezbee, welcome to Celebrity Talk Show.
Yeah, thank you very much. It's a privilege to be on your show.
Same here.
Yeah.
Mkoma Ezbee, vabukeli vada kuziva kuti Mkoma Ezbee ndiani vanomboita nezvei.
Mkoma Ezbee is an artist. Ezbee is an artist and a producer, same way. But my real name is, for the sake of my fans, my real name is Kelvin. Kelvin is another person. Then Ezbee is a different person. You see me?
Okay.
Right. So that's me.
Murikungozvinzwira Mkoma Ezbee, vanhu vangada kuziva futi zvekare kuti munonyatsoshanda muri papi, because tinoziva munobata zvakawanda. Muimba munodii vanhu vanonyatsoziva kuti Mkoma Ezbee vanoita nezvei.
Mkoma Ezbee vanoshanda nemusic chete. Everything that has to do with music ndokunowanikwa Ezbee. I am a music producer and also a singer. But for the meantime, I'm not producing. I've left that aside. For the meantime, not like I've left it.
Okay.
But for the meantime, I'm singing.
Okay.
Since I have two things. I am a producer and I am a singer. So for the meantime, I'm singing. But you never know. Even tomorrow I can say I am now producing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so tingada kuziva kuside rekuproducer, as a producer. Dauza kuti makatanga rini uye makashandana nani pamakatanga?
I think 2006.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where I started producing. And I was just I think by that time I was in Form 3.
Wow.
So I worked with Tappy T. Tappy T was the producer who produced the rhythm and the microphone rhythm. If you know, they know the song Anotinho, Poptain. Tappy T was my mentor. He's the one who taught me how to produce music. You see. So from there, I just started producing. But I was a singer, but I didn't know what I had talent. But when I was producing my songs, the time they correct one, no, you have to sing like this. Someone told me no, but the way how to correct it, you can sing too. And that's when I started to sing. That was 2006.
Wow.
And I recorded a song in the around. They want to touch it. That's those are getting the mix series. And I was okay, since in the producer, then let me just mix the two. That's how I started. I worked with a lot of artists. I don't want to lie. The likes of Shinsoman,
Okay.
the likes of Ladysquanda, Maffcat, Kadjah. The list is endless.
Wow.
It's endless. So
vanhu vangada kuziva nekuti tinoziva kuti zvinonetsa kubatanidza kuti uku uri producer, uku uri artist, zvese zvinonetsa kubatanidza. Vamwe vangada kuziva kuti munozvibatanidza sei, munozviita sei kuti zvinyatsobuda.
Right. Yeah. Ndopatokudzoka paya panachataura paya pandichiti hazvitobatanidziki. I don't want to lie.
Okay.
You can never haukwanisi kutandanisa tsuro 2 uri munhu one. Saka that's why I decided for the meantime to leave production. So for the meantime, he's doing the production. I don't know until when. Anyway, when my time comes, when I just seek about no, and I find out to get production, then I will go to production. But so for the meantime, I'm a singer. I'm no longer a producer. For the meantime,
Okay.
not good to understand. Yeah, I'm still a producer, but in the river off.
Alright. Okay, Mkoma Ezbee. Vamakashanda navo kudhara o vanhu vanokuteerai vangada kuziva kuti champion sounds ndo yavanonyanyoziva but kunzwa nezve 12 Lane Records.
Right. Ipapo vanhu vopo vari kurasika. Hakuna chinhu chinonzi 12 Line Records.
Okay.
Hakutorina studio chinonzi 12 Line Records.
Okay.
12 Line is a music group. Everyone anoita music mukwazana like men can even it's a musical group. Everyone anongoita anything is a music.
Okay.
Ato remove that 12 Line. 12 Line is like it's a combination of everyone and art.
Wow. Okay.
That's why Take IT is a music group, but it's under Champion Sound. Champion Sound is silent for the moment because people know Champion Sound. If people didn't know Champion Sound, they didn't. But people know. So for the meantime, we decided to know Kwazana, like Kwazana especially. Muni art. And unyebera tini vano vanogona vanezvipo zvakanyanya. Saka takangoti anyone is free. Kana ari producer kana that's why nchona tushanda the likes of Regan DJ is ane rhythm rakati as a producer. Anyone anokwaza mamiki as the Jemro munhu wese Skyline and always he's free to come and because we are a music group.
Wow.
We're doing the same thing. And you see what I'm saying. So Champion Sound is there. But 12 Line is just a musical. Everyone and anokwasa kuita music is welcome. You see. So that's why we decided. Not forgetting Flex P, my little. So Champion Sound is alive. Don't worry. It's not dead.
I think you papo pajika because vanongavane mubvunzo yakati.
Yeah, don't worry.
Okay, so ndingada kuziva kuti as an artist or as a producer, what are the challenges amunofesa as a producer? Nekuti ndanzwa kuti makasiya zvekuproducer and now makuita
good.
I know, not
just
for good.
For the meantime.
For the meantime, right? Makambosiya, but I know muchiri kuita zvekuproducer. Pane ma-challenges amaimbosangana nawo. What are the challenges?
In a face a lot, and I don't want to lie. Chinoitika ndechokudai also. When you groom an artist, and this in the I'm a music producer, then I sign an artist, they don't know this person artist one, then I invest for the money here. Why? This person I just stay for around, but what I and they go to this. I don't want to lie. I don't care what they do. Because I mundu then it's gone. Then I'm alone. Like I don't understand that struggle. But person is driving my pains and can never come here. And so my challenges are my producers. And cheapest nash and an artist and studio and can sing and I don't want to lie. And kuimba muna anoga anigashikona kuimba. But to tell you the truth, kuri song ibude the producer.
Yes.
Producer ndiano struggle with chini chite sei chite bo. Then after that struggle, munu anokusiya. Then then anoto decide kuenda kuna mumwe producer atori more expensive. And why? Because anenge iwe wakati so ndo challenge atina wa producers. So that's why ndakazo decide no. Even since nditoro artist futhi, it's better to focus on my career. As a musician, I'm a producer. Yeah, but when the time comes, when I want to produce people, I will produce people. But for the meantime, I have to just sing. Because I cannot run away from myself. Like what other people did to me.
Okay. But apana here dzimwe nzira dzekuti tiite kuti ma-challenges iwaye kuti wagruma munhu, wazivisa munhu chinhu, akuzikanwa, then all of a sudden omba akukuona seusina basa. Izvozvozvo tingazvigadzise sei, zvingagadziswe sei sekuona kwenyu mimi as a producer munozvigadzisa sei?
I don't want to lie. Ndiri kunyebera. Zvitogadzirika because ona like munhu anouya ndokunotomusainisa contract. Do you know the contract never go terminate for any time? And you try to sue the person and you cannot because I will be broke. But here I am mad. So I'm going to come in some lawyers. I can and check what's afford a lawyer. But here I can't afford a lawyer. So I'm going to see. So that's why I decided, no, let me leave production. But I produced a lot. I don't want to lie. I produced it. So I have decided I cannot betray myself. That's why in Ndambo for the meantime. That's why Ndambo artist. When the time comes, I will be a producer. But for the meantime, ZJ Python, my lawyer, he cannot run away from. Yeah, and new blood is better. I don't want to lie. As bad as you and when I in the guns work, this person and if I know what's and there's a lack of Nikki. You know Nikki. Nikki started from here. I don't want to lie. And Nikki was introduced to me by Move. By now he's doing big. And he's producing from Wiki D and G. And what's you fun? And even every day we talk. And so that's why I decided to just no production. Yeah, I'm a production and but in the because I can
I'm glad kuti kuma producer kune vanhu vakaita semi vane mwoyo wekuti chero makasangana nezvamakasangana nazvo ndiri kunzwisisa kuti makashanda nema-artist akati mashanda nawo ndofunga pekutanga makatotanga kutoshanda naye akatokutizai but makangoisamba mune shungu muchingosemudzira
I love music.
Yeah, I think kune mamwe maproducer I think tikaita mwoyo wakadaro tinoenda mberi. So right now vanhu vakuda kunyatsoziva kuti munoimba vanhu vanokamirira kuda kunzwa side kwenyu muri muimbi because vaimbokuziyai muri chiproducer. Tinongoti mungotinzwisawo zvishomawo zvamunoita izvozvo timbonzwa kuti mukoma Ezbee panyaya dzekuimba vakaita sei.
Ayo ZJ Python Flex be me youth. Yeah, tough line we have to live long, you know, say. I ain't feeling the beats. Crazy. Rest in peace to the right love of my life. Rest in peace, Vibes Kashona. Hero story. I don't wanna die young. Saka musta indi chengete. I don't wanna die young. Saka musta indi chengete. Andoda kuona mazukuru vangu. Vana mateoroi. Ndoda kuona mazukuru vangu. Vana vamakanaka. Most time zuva nezuva vanhu vari kutisiya. Mana shamwari kuviga tiskumira. Kumakuva yakuita senzvimbo yekutandarira. Misodzi yedu pamaziso haisi kumira kubuda. Mwari wangu, baba vangu, Jehovah Jireh, ndichengete. I don't wanna die young, saka musta ndichengete. I don't wanna die young, saka musta ndichengete. Andoda kuona mazukuru vangu. Vana mateoroi. Ndoda kuona mazukuru vangu. Vana vamakanaka. Ayo ZJ Python kufa yakuita kunge patan. Nasi uyu ashaya. Mangwana sawira wangu ashaya. Vawandisa vadiwa vedu vakatisiya. Kuchema tiskumira. Mwari wa baba guti. Ndebuta ndichengete. I don't wanna die young, saka musta ndichengete. I don't wanna die young, saka musta ndichengete. Andoda kuona mazukuru vangu. Vana mateoroi. Ndoda kuona mazukuru vangu. Vana va makanaka Most
Wow, that was a great performance. Yeah, it was a great performance. And the song actually, in a message. Tumari type tizowana vana vevana vangu unova muna matowe rutese. Saka mukoma kuti tione music yenyu vazhinji vanoda kuziva kuti mabuditsa ichi since mati maakuita zvekuimba vanhu vakaunyatsoziva mangoma enyu since futi achinakidza kudaiwo so vanhu vachada kuramba vachimateerera saka tinokuwanai papapi patinokubatai
mangoma angu arikuwanika pasocial media kwese panana Rhythm Nation, YouTube, SoundCloud, Sensebase, just type Ezbee then boom mangoma angu ese mumawanika even pavideo.
Great. Tinokutendai nenguva yenyu.
Thank you too.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, viewers, this was it for today. Catch us on our next episode. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube and like on our Facebook. This is your host, Nesta. Catch us next week. Thank you.